Hello, and thank you for watching part 3 of this video series. In this video, I will be going over steps 3, 4, and 5 of how to set up your frame gallery, review/edit, brand order, and publish. Before we begin, make sure that you have watched part 2 of this series, where we showed you how to complete step 2, adding frames. Let's begin step 3, review/edit. Note that there are two similar versions of this page depending on if you added frames individually or by auto brand update in the previous step. If you took the left option and added frames individually, you will see a list of individual styles that you can then filter for using the drop-downs, radio buttons, and text search bar along the top. To remove a style, simply click the red X next to each row and it will be removed the next time you publish. You can also click the red X at the top of the column to remove all of the frames that met your search criteria. If you instead took the option on the right to add frames by auto brand update, instead of a list of individual styles, you will see a list of collections. Again, you'll be able to click the red X next to each row to remove those collections from your gallery. Note that if you added frames individually, there is an option at the top to search for frames with no image. We recommend that you filter for these and then remove them before you move on so that they are not added to your gallery. Note that this option does not exist if you added frames via auto brand update, as frames without imagery are automatically excluded from that program. Always remember to click Save Changes on any page you're on, or your changes will not be saved. Step 4 in the process is the brand order page. By default, brands will appear on your gallery alphabetically. This page allows you to break up that alphabetical order by picking certain brands to appear first anytime your gallery is being viewed or filtered. To set your custom brand order, click the green plus next to each brand to move it to the list on the right. Once on the right, you can reorder the brands using the arrows by clicking and dragging. Note that any brands that remain on the left side will still be displayed alphabetically at the end, so you do not need to move everything. As always, remember to click Save Changes on any page you are on, or your changes will not be saved. Step 5 in the process is the Publish page. On this page, you will see a preview of your finished gallery showing the changes that you just made. If you are happy with the results, click Publish to make those changes go live. If there is anything that you want to change, you can click specifically on that step on the bar at the top to go back to that part of the process, make additional changes, and then return to step 5 to publish. Once you publish, you're ready to take your URL and add it to your website. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 4, which will cover one of our two optional features on the My Frame Gallery menu, the splash page feature.